Hey guys, it's Icy Fox here, and back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a shirt on Roblox. It's actually very simple. So you want to go to Create, and then when you're in Create, you want to go down. It says Places, Models, Decals, Badges, Game Passes, Audio, Animations, Meshes, User Ads, Sponsor Games, and then Shirts. You don't want to do t-shirts. Don't do t-shirts. Do shirts. I made some. Be sure to buy this one. It's really cool. It's limited time only. So back to what I was saying. If you don't have a template, download it here. But I already have one. So I'll leave a description. I'll leave the link in the description to create a shirt so you don't have to go through all the steps. But anyway, so go to paint.net. Our link will be in the description. Well, first, if you don't have paint.net, go to paint.net. Well, alright, I'll just leave the link down below. So, full screen it. Then you want to go File, Open, and find the shirt. Hold on. Okay. This. So it'll look like this when you first get it, like when you first download it. So what you want to do is just hit Control, and then take the magic wand and click, and just click all of them. Press it while pressing Control. Just keep clicking them, and then hold on, backspace instead of like deleting. It's a backspace to go back, and then click it, and then do not press backspace or this will happen. So you want to press delete, and then you want to zoom in a little bit. And what you're gonna do is go to this drop down menu, and then first one says rectangle select. Now you over here you can like deselect the colorizer or the layers, so we'll deselect them for now because we don't need them right now. What you want to do is you want to click and drag it, and in that blue box or anything in that blue box will delete. So hit delete, and then you want to scroll down and delete these white lines, or else it'll look bad. So just click, or you could just start from this corner. Oh no, shoot! Hold up. Just click to get off of the thing, and just carefully delete them. But do not delete the spaces in between the transparent things, otherwise it will look very funny, and you don't want it to look like that. Just leave the lines in the gray spot. It doesn't matter, because the only part that your shirt's like you're gonna wear and stuff is the transparent part, but we'll cover that up. Because transparent, when something's transparent, it means that like you can't see it. So anyway, delete these. Sorry, I forgot to make a pre-made one. This video might be a little longer. I mean, you could just skip to the part where I'm done. It'll probably take me like a few minutes. So if you don't want to hear me talking and talking and doing this, you could just skip. But watch the whole video to know how to make a shirt, and I hope this actually helps. Make sure to subscribe, and let's see if this video can get at least 1,000 likes. And comment down below if you like these tutorial videos on how to do things. So yeah, I will be putting up my intro soon. Like I'm still making it, and on my channel there's my intro there, but I'm gonna make a new one. I'm having some trouble with pans, but I'll make a video on how to make an intro once I can fix my it's called Panzoid, and I need to fix it because it won't let me type the name in and it'll change. So once I have that all fixed, I'll make a YouTube video on how to do and how to make a intro, and then maybe I'll do on how to like make it to your channel. Now I use the to record. I use a recording thing called what's it, free cam or something. Link will be in the description down below if you want it. If you're just it's good for starters. Like OBS, it's a little more complicated, and then there's a ice cream thing. I don't know. So now that you're done doing this, you want to go back to your Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using. I'm not using Google Chrome, and you want to type in, for example, what color? Like, I don't know. Let's just do a gray. Just type in gray or whatever color you want. I'm just using gray for example. Oh no, let's do black. I'll make a black supreme. Oh, we'll play it right here. Black. Now we'll go to, and then you can pick any color you want. So you just pick whatever one you want. I kind of like. I think I'll go with this. Okay, I think I'll go with this one. Never mind. Actually, let's go with like smooth, solid black. Oh, sorry about that. If you want to copy, and then whatever. See, or you can. So then you click this button. And you click this button. Layer. I'll be right back. I need to get charger. Actually, never mind. So what you want to do is keep it on that layer, paste the color in, or whatever you're using. Now you want to size it, like a good size. So just do that. Don't use the I hate when this happens. Try and not get it like rotate it unless you want like that cool tint or whatever it's called. But anyway. Oh my gosh. This might look weird, but whatever. And if you want to buy this shirt, link in the description to join my group. I give out daily Roblox giveaways, but you have to buy my merch. I guess I'll put this in my thing. But anyway. There we go. So now you just size it. So what you want to do is just don't worry about it. See, this is the right arm. This, if you go like this, you have a little arm showing there. And so, what happened? Oh. So, just keep it. If you want that much arm sticking out, you can. I mean, if you want like this. I mean, if you want like this much arm sticking out, you can. For now, I guess I'll keep it like that. Looks crooked. Try and get as even, like if you mistakenly did that. I tried. I mean, it's probably not gonna look perfect. But like then what you want to do after you did that. So when layer 2 is up here, you just want to merge it down, like bring it down, or you can click these arrows down here. Now what you want to do is go and find, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it, a logo. So, but make sure you do this. For example, Supreme logo, put PNG. So it's like, it can fit on this. Just pick whatever you want, but make sure it has a pixel background. For example, I'm gonna do this one. Make sure it has that. Now, do not save picture as copy. And then what you want to do is make a new layer. Make sure it's on top of background. Then what you want to do is click paste. You want to click and then see it'll come out transparent, so it won't have the white pixel. It might look on it when it says keep size, but it actually won't. Make sure you don't mess up like me and be idiotic and twist it like this. But what you want to do is just resize it and then put it on. This will be a Jordan's shirt. It won't be really a Supreme because you can't see it, but who cares? I really don't. So now what you want to do is just resize it to whatever you want. I'm just going to resize it down like this, and I'll put the Jordan thing here. Now, for example, I want to put some text. So you click the drop down menu, click text, if you want. And then I'll just write, and this with colorizer, I'll just say Jordan. Oh my god. Oh yeah. So you don't want to add any text, so you merge this down, and if you want to add text, go to background and type in, for example, Jordan. Hold up. Jordans. You might actually have to add a new layer, and you click. Yeah, you might need to save this and then insert it and then draw it. For now, I just won't do that. And so this is your template. I'll upload one for a hoodie, and then you click File, Save As. Make sure this is not paint.net. It's either a PNG file. Make sure it's a PNG file. And save. Yeah. Okay, and then just click all this and then flatten. Then, I need to make this video kind of quick because my battery's low. Then you want to click Browse. Go back to Develop and click Browse. Okay. Now find your file. Okay, now when you found it, you can name it whatever you want. So, Jordan shirt. But you can add like emojis like this and make it big and all. But I'm just gonna do this. And you click upload, and then bam, you're done. But you're not done. You wait until this is done, but you don't have to.